Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see flash sale on TikTok shop. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok shop or open your TikTok, and in here you just click on the shop, this one at the bottom. Click on it, and after this is very simple. In here you can see flash sale on TikTok. You just click on this one, click in here. Yeah, and in here you can see many product flash sale on TikTok shop. You can buy and finish. So that how to see a flash sale on TikTok shop. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.